anyone that I talk to about writing who wants to be a writer, I think like immerse yourself in grammar, immerse yourself in syntax, because you can fix plot. It's really hard to make someone a really great sentence writer. There were presses and they published 1 or 2 people of color. And then there were presses like Dia Chucha that, really were doing the work of making sure that those voices were amplified. Those were the models that I was looking at. And I think one difference we see is that presses are publishing a lot more BIPOC writers. One difference we don't see is BIPOC people running publishing situations.
What are 5 things that the sight of our American flag remind you of?
I don't know half of these maps. This is a weather map. This is a star map. A topographic map. There's an anatomical map, a political map, and humans want to map everything. We want to understand. I want you to use experience and your voice combined to tell me how you're feeling today.